Because you get to meet a lot of people who are just like you.
People with whom I can share memes and wines.
Who get your humor, who you can talk to in English and you can feel like you're normal.
Zato što je mnogo opuštena atmosfera i svi pričaju samo isključivo engleski.
Because je tako što mogu govoriti po-ruski doma.
Mostly because I am bad at almost everything else.
Because I wanted to broaden my horizons and meet new interesting people.
Because I wanted to improve the knowledge that I already have.
Because it can open many doors in your life.
Ovo je većina drugih fakulteta, ovo je anglistika.
Pisao sam anglistiku jer sam jedva čekao sa terasi matematike.
Profesori su super, društvo je super.
I pusti sve na engleskom, mislim, ko to ne voli.
Ever since I was a kid, I had this, I don't want to say talent, but I had this love for the English language.
Everybody thinks that they know English, but they don't. And I want to be one of those few people who really do know English.
Because I tried studying engineering and it didn't work.
I onda sam razmišljala da li svog života hoću da učim i da radim nešto što mrzim i da idem na fakultet koji ne volim i da se jednog dana bavim poslom koji ne želim da radim.
I've always wanted to travel to the United States and the United Kingdom and perhaps live there someday.
Kolege, odlično.
Should I speak in English now?